morning, everyone. Really, I am very excited to introduce with a very important chapter, that is circle, and we are going to know about the circle. What are the important things in it, and what are the necessary things of the circle? Today, we are going to discuss. Okay, here circle. What is the circle? Circle, if you take a point and from the point, the distance between the point from each, the distance from a fixed points is the same and if we draw to means all the points this is a circle. So what is the circle? Circle is a collection of all the points whose distance from a fixed point is always same. Okay, so circle is a collection of all points. I have taken all points, the distance from a fixed point, that is O, from O, all the points were same. From here all are same. Okay, so circle, what is the circle? Circle is the collection of all the points whose distance from a fixed point remains unchanged. Okay, remains equal. It means O to A or O to B or O to C are always equal. Okay, so now we know that from where we have measured the distance of fixed point. This fixed point is called center. What is it? O is a center of the circle. Center of the circle. Okay, and O to A or O to B or O to C, all are equal. These are known as radius of the circle. What is radius of the circle? The distance between the fixed point, that means center to the circle, is known as radius of the circle. OA or OB or OC, that is known as radius of the circle. Okay, and diameter, what is? If you take the line which passes through the center, and touch the circle in two parts, A to B. The line which pass from the center through the center and touch the circle in two parts is known as diameter. It means AB. AB is a diameter, and AB you can write AB, that is OB plus OA. OB plus OA. And what is it? It is radius. OA is radius. OB is radius. So radius equal to, both are equal. OA equal to OB, both are equal. It means we can write OB and OA in the place of OA. We can write again OB. It means 2 OB. Means 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 times radius. Diameter equal to 2 times radius. Okay, it means radius is half of diameter. Did you get? Radius equal to, we divide by 2 here, diameter by 2. Okay, and the diameter equal to 2 times the radius. If diameter is 10 centimeter, then radius is 5 centimeter. If radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter is 2 times 6 centimeter. I hope you got it. Now we talk about the chord. If a line touch the circle 2 points, but it does not pass through the center. Okay, the line which touch the circle in 2 parts but does not pass through the center is called a chord. That is C, D or D, E. Give the name D, E. D, E is a chord. So chord is a line which touch the circle 2 parts and does not pass through the center of the circle. Okay. Now we talk about the secant. What is the secant? Secant is a line which cross the circle in 2 parts. The line which touch the circle 2 parts, okay, but it doesn't pass through the center. Okay, so we can say that is, give the name FG. FG is the secant of the circle. Okay, now we know about the circumference of circle. What is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle means a perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle, it means the distance. If we start from A, okay, and O, and from again A, B. Now the distance, what is the circumference? We start from A, cross the C, B, okay, D, E, and again A. This is called circumference of a circle. Whole distance from the A to again A. That is the circumference of circle. Okay. Now segments. What is the segments of a circle? Okay. Now we know about the segments of a circle. Now, what is the segments? So segment, if a circle and the center is O, okay, and if a chord, it is a chord, AB is a chord, divides the circle in 2 parts. Okay, this is called the segments of a circle. This is the segment of a circle and this is also segment of circle, but the name is, this is a bigger, so it is called major segment and this is minor segment. Okay, if a chord divides a circle in 2 parts, so the bigger part is called major and the smaller, that is minor segment. Okay, now the semicircle. What is the semicircle? If now we take a diameter is the line which pass through The center AB is a diameter. It bisects the circle in two equal parts. Diameter bisects a circle in two equal parts. That is, this part is called semicircle. Also, that is semicircle. Okay, from here to here, this is called semicircle. From here to here, that is called semicircle. So, how many semicircles? There are two semicircles, and when two semicircle mix, it becomes a complete circle. Okay. Now, arc. What is the arc? Arc is a part of a circle. Arc is a part of a circle. If we take two parts of a circle, that is AB, so from here to here, this is called an arc. Arc AB is a arc, and we denote this. Okay, AB is an arc. Okay. Now sector of a circle. What is the sector of a circle? If an arc, we have taken an arc, and if we draw a line to the arc, so it divides the circle in two parts. This is the one part, and this is another part. Okay, so the smaller one is called, okay, these are the sector of the circle. These are the sectors of a circle. Okay, AB is an arc, and sector of circle, that is one sector, and this is another sector. So which is bigger, that is called major sector, and which is smaller is called minor sector. That is a major sector, and that is minor sector. Okay. Now concentric circle. What is the concentric circle? Two or more than two circles having same center. This is a center. If we draw a circle, okay, and with the same center, if we draw some other, and all the circle, if all the circle have same center, then all the circles are called concentric circles. So what is concentric circle? Two or more than two circles which have same center is called concentric circles. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we divide that. What is the circle? Circle is the collection of all the points, okay, whose distance from a fixed point is always same, always equal, is called circle. Okay, and the distance from the center to the circle is called radius. Okay, and the line which pass through the center and touch the circle two parts is called diameter, and the diameter is 2 times radius. When two radius mix, it becomes a diameter. And the chord, what is the chord? The line which touch two parts of the line segment, not line, the line segment. So DE chord is, that is the line segment, and okay, and second, that is the line. Okay, this is the symbol of line segment. the line segment which touch the circle in two parts, okay, and which does not pass through the center is called chord, okay. And second, the line, this is a line symbol, so the line which touch the circle in two parts is called secant of the circle. And the circumference, the whole distance from the circle, from one point to the other point, from A to the A is called circumference. And the segments, what is the segments? Okay, when a sector divides the circle in two parts is called segments. This is the major segment, which is bigger, which is smaller is called minor segments. Okay, and semicircle, what is the semicircle? If the diameter divides the circle in two parts, two equal parts, one is called semicircle, one is first semicircle and other is second semicircle. Okay, and arc, what is arc? The part, any part, the part of the circle is called an arc. And with the arc, if we draw the line from the center, it divides the circle in two parts, that is called sector. Okay, and which is smaller, that is minor sector, which is bigger, that is the major sectors. Okay, and at last, that is concentric circles. The two or more than two circles which have same center are called concentric circles. Okay, I hope you got it. Read properly and revise the chapter and do the exercise. Okay, and if you have any queries, so we will discuss in Zoom meeting. Okay, so bye, have a good day.